Alright, so as you can see, I've cleaned out all the rust from the carbs. This area right here, the bottom of the float bowls, as well as all of the jet holes, was clogged up full of rust particles. And the main issue with the starting problem was with this float valve right here, this rubber part. So the rubber part sits inside this hole and it opens and closes depending on the fuel level. Since there was rust on the tip, it was keeping it open and allowing fuel to flow into the cylinders overnight, and that's what was giving me my starting problems. The engine was getting flooded.